Hello class, how you doing? Byron Isler here with another Screencast assignment number 8. In this assignment we had to create a web page, saving it to our desktop in the file HTML. I was going to go ahead and jump right into it. To create this page here, which you have my image, you have the heading, first paragraph, second paragraph, and you have a link that takes you straight to the army.mil page. So once again, image, heading, first paragraph, second paragraph, and then you have a link here that takes you straight to the army.mil website. To get to this web page that I created on my desktop, I did take some of the examples from the lessons instructions inside of the canvas, which I created my files located here on this screen. On this screen here, once again, is my heading, which is my name, retired, my military career. I have my first paragraph, I have my second paragraph, then I had the link to the Go Army or the Army website. And once I hit run, it gave me this example, so I did this as a template to give me or show me how everything's going to look on the web page. Then I transfer all of this information over to my notepad. Once I copied and pasted into my notepad, I have once again my image, my heading, my first and second paragraph, and then my link to the Army website. Once I inputted all the information, I was sure that it was correct. I did a file, save as, my name be isler.html. I hit save, and once I hit save, it created this page. Once again, heading, image, paragraphs, and then the link to my website. And I think this should conclude my assignment. Thank you, and good luck to you all.